All right, have you been looking for a 4 to 5 bedroom, 3.5 bath home that is suitable for multi-generations setup? This is the home you're going to want to see. Here I am in a low traffic location at 65 Nida Drive here in Northford, Connecticut. Northford is a village of North Branford, and this home has 2,100 square feet above grade, and then below grade we have a finished lower level of 864 for a total of 2,964 square feet. By the way, this garage is oversized with 8-foot high doors, and it is 32 feet deep, 24 deep wide. And in the street, I do have city sewer, but we are connected to septic, and we do have city water. Right here, the aluminum with stainless steel railings are just the tip of the iceberg on the quality that I'm about to show you in this home, so stay with me. What I love about the home is just this layout, and we'll talk about that as we go through. We've got the finished lower level you know about, but this home has been owned by 15 years. The seller has been here, and it has been adapted with the master suite addition on that end of the house. We'll get to that. And then the original primary bedroom is back left corner, but I love this layout. This home, granite countertops, plenty of width here between the island. This is truly a two-person kitchen and open concept. Many of the raised ranch homes have a wall right here blocking your sight line. Beautiful dining area right here, and then the living room beyond. But let's talk about entertaining and family fun. How is this? This is a 3 seasons room, one of the favorite rooms for the family, and being situated on 0.92 acres. We've got the composite decking right here, and the sale does include the hot tub. How is this? You've got a beautiful spot right here, and I'm just going to take a walk down here because there's something that you have to see, and we'll just meander down here. That door goes to the oversized garage, so the people door coming out. Nice fire pit area. There used to be a chicken coop back there, shed, but you've got no visible neighbors for the most part. As soon as the leaves come out, I don't know, it just makes me feel like a kid again when I come down here to this little bridge. The land is on the other side. This property does jump this little stream right here. Pretty cool, huh? But let's get you back into this home. Like I said, it's got energy efficient features like an indirect hot water heater, oil fired system, newer boiler, primary suite upstairs. That has its own system in terms of a warm air system. Love the composite decking, the railing system right here. Beautiful setting, and you've got a lot of big sky here because being in the Northford area, there's not a lot of light pollution, so you'll enjoy lots of stars in the evening. So far, tile, hardwood. Beautiful setup right here. There's my entrance right there. I'm going to go into the primary bedroom. These few steps coming up allowed us to have the 8-foot high garage doors. How about the ceiling? Scale of my bed right here is king size bed. Beautiful cathedral ceiling. I've got 2 walk-in closets. So this is walk-in number 1. And then we've got walk-in number 2. Back right of the home. How's that for a nice space? Primary bath, double vanity, furniture style, mud job on the shower. water closet right here, linen right there. So that was a big addition that the sellers had done, making it their own. Got a little shallow closet right here, which is really spices and water containers. Bath number 2. This is full bath number 2. And in the plan, floor plan is going to be bath number 3. Why? Because here's the original primary bedroom. Reach-in closet right there. Only thing I found in the house was the seal failure on that one window. That could be an improvement that a buyer could do. But here's bath number 2, full bath ensuite. Here is the adult child space or in-law space. Complete opposite end of the house. Reach-in closet right there. Bedroom number 4, reach-in closet right there. And for your confidence in the purchase and convenience, the sellers have a pre-listing home inspection that they did so that you can feel confident with your sale and purchase. Wood burning stove insert. This is my gaming area. Nice little foosball table right there. And then here's the bar setup. That is a dry bar, not a wet bar. The people door that we've talked about. This was the one that went to the backyard. A little bridge and stream back there. That door right there, 16 feet by 8 feet. Full-size pickup or SUV can come in here, no problem. I'm told by the sellers that this is a family-friendly community. They do use the golf carts a lot in the neighborhood. Nice laminate flooring, engineered product, durable. And it's not the first generation type of stuff. This is modern. Love the nice dry bar right there. Picture winter night, the wood stove going. TV right there. Front entry. By the way, that door was just replaced. Fiberglass door. They did not stain it or paint it, letting the buyers do what they would like. This space right here is office / bedroom number 5, reach-in closet right there. Finally, laundry and utility, washer dryer, new oil tank, 200 amp service, nice little workbench right here, indirect hot water heater that we talked about coming off of the oil-fired boiler. This oil-fired boiler has a Riallo burner, European technology, and half bath. So that gets you a good sense of what this home has to offer. I would schedule your showings ASAP. If you've been looking for a 4 to 5 bedroom home here in Northford, and one thing that I did not talk about yet, Northford, this location has electric utilities from Wallingford Electric. Wallingford Electric delivers power to this home for about 18 cents a kilowatt. That is at and below solar lease costs. So if you're an Eversource customer, you know you feel my pain. I pay a little over 30 cents, 18 cents a kilowatt. What a bargain. Schedule your showings today. Thank you.